Isang araw na naman guys at papunta tayo ng Ubud. Babalik tayo doon kasi nakalimutan ko yung earphones sa table sa restaurant kagabi. So pabalik tayo at ayan, ito yung forma natin for today's video. Hindi nyo kita pero ayan, masyadong ano lang para maliwalas. Napakainit pa naman ng panahon. Sobrang init ng panahon. Kaya see you at tingin ko mag-AATV tayo, tapos punta tayo dun sa may parang rice terraces nila. See you guys. Yan, umulan na ulit. Sarap. Galing. Nabasa na naman tayo sa ulan guys. Grabe, lakas. Ang init dun sa sentro, tapos dito sa Ubud, ayan, maulan. Ganun talaga. Medyo mataas na dito at malapit na din po sa bundok sa kasabukan, kaya ganun, malapit na ulan. And sa wakas, after 48 years, nandito na tayo. Pasukin na natin. Ito na. Kailangan natin bumili ng sarong after natin bumili ng ticket doon. Ito na nga. Ito. Hello. To choose color, no?
Yeah, this. This black.
Black one. All right. All right. Alright, ito yung tamang paraan ng pagtali ng sarong. Siyempre hindi natin alam at tradisyon nila to. Bago pumasok doon sa temple, kailangan nakasarong ka. This one, this way, like this. Very beautiful. Ooh, nice. I like the color.
Yeah, good. This.
Very, very good. Very good choice. Okay, so... Alright. And then take off the pants. All right. Okay. How about this one?
No.
Just
Yeah.
go there.
Yeah.
Okay, okay. Ayan guys, nandito na tayo. Dito na tayo sa loob at suot ko na to. Ayan. Tara. Outfit nila. So iba rin pala yung outfit pag maligo. Tingin ko lang. Suot na natin yung sarong. First time ko na suot ng ganito. Pero parang bagay naman sa akin. Para tayo nakapalda.
Not too much. You like in green?
Yeah, green color is nice.
Green color is nice, yeah. Okay.
Green and yellow.
Green and yellow, good. Okay.
Alright.
Good color.
At yun na nga, maliban sa sinuot nating sarong kanina na black at may gold na design, eto pa yung isusuot mong sarong bago ka pumasok dun sa purifying water. Ito yung required na suot. Thank you very much. Thank you. This color is really nice.
You will have the offering right here. So this is what the people call chana. Chana here. This is how the Balinese people symbolize our faith.
Oh, okay.
I'm pretty sure you've seen this everywhere.
Yeah, I think in the
the street.
In the
like,
street, yeah,
front of
yeah, in front of the
houses.
house and in front of the stores. Yeah, I can see that.
So the Chanang here is how the people symbolize our hope and gratitude every single day.
Ah,
That is in our daily prayer as well. Chanang, symbol of people's spirit.
all right, all right.
And from the name, it means like a beautiful purpose or like a beautiful thing. So yeah, that is why you see Chanang like pretty much everywhere.
Everywhere, yeah.
And for every ceremony, we also use this. This is like the base of any Balinese ceremonies.
All right.
So with the Chanang here, you will have this for the ceremony that we will do as well. So this is for you.
All right, thank you so much.
You're welcome. Careful with the fire. So that's the offering that we will be using. And about the ceremony here, so this ceremony that we do, this is what we call malukat.
Maluk.
So malukat here from the name, it means like something like washing away. Malukat, washing.
The scenes.
Yes. So washing away here, because in this ceremony we are trying to wash away any kind of like
Bad spirit.
bad energy,
Yeah, bad
spirit,
energy. Yeah.
anything negative
Negative.
from our side.
Ah, that's good. That's
So
good.
that is what malukat is. That's why the English term is purification.
Yeah, okay, yeah. Purify your soul.
Yes,
Alright.
purification is the name that we like came up with in English because it's wash away the negative. Besides that, here we not only we cleanse here, we also receive the positive energy to receive. So, with the help of the holy water fountain, we are washing away the negativity and receiving the positive energy. So
I
it's
need
like
that. I
an
need that.
exchange. So that is a little introduction to the ceremony.
All right.
So if you're ready to go on,
Yeah, I think
we
I'm
will
ready.
come in the holy water area.
All right. Yeah, I'm ready.
The first one on the left side here, this is used for the cleansing. So like to wash away any kind of the negativity that we are talking about.
Yeah.
And the right side here is to receive.
Yun na na, you can
Ceremony.
It's getting cold.
That's how you know it's super fresh water. The first step is always like a bit of a shock, but after you move up, you get used
Yan, dito sa first pool na to is to release the negativity energy. Ayan, i-release mo yung negative energy dito sa pool na to. At may procedure dyan, 3 beses na maghilamos. Iinumin mo yung tubig and then 3 beses mo ring ihilamos sa mukha mo. At tapos, same procedure sa bawat tubig na yung kung saan nanggagaling yung buga ng tubig dito sa may statue na to. Ayan, papunta dito yan sa gilid. At ganun din po yung gagawin natin doon sa kabila mamaya para naman doon sa kabila is to receive the positive energy. Ayan. Lilipat tayo doon sa kabilang pool mamaya. At dito na nga tayo sa kabilang pool. And this way naman is the same procedure. The same way kung paano natin release yung negative energy kanina. But then this time to receive the positive energy naman dito sa second pool. Ayan, patapos na tayo at after this, mag-ikot-ikot muna tayo dito sa temple and then puntahan natin yung fish pond kung saan yung mga isda ay sobrang laki, mga tilapia, mga koi fish, ayan. Tapos na tayo doon at dito na tayo, pasok tayo dito. Naman natin dito yung mga koi fish. Grabe, ang lalaki ng mga isda, oh. Huh? Look. Grabe, ang lalaki ng tilapia. Oh, tilapia yan eh. Sus, ang lalaki ng tilapia, oh. Grabe. Mga ano, isang tsinelas, dalawang tsinelas na to eh. Laki niyan. Grabe, ang laki ng tilapia. Laki. Tingnan mo yung pato, saka yung tilapia, ang lalaki. Mas malaki pa yung tilapia kasi sa pato. Grabe, ang laki niya, no? Papunta na tayo ng Ubud ulit. Doon tayo kakain. Mamaya ko na ayusin nga yan. Ako dito guys kasi nakakatakot doon. Capri. Napili natin dito magkape. Try natin dito sa gilid ng palayan. Na-curious ako kasi ang daming motor at daming pumapasok. So, try natin. Wow. Coffee shop. Dito tayo. Maganda nga. Lahat sila may partner. Ako lang mag-isa dito.
All couples. Yan, nandito na tayo sa Ubud at mag-explore muna tayo ng konti. Dito muna natin iwan yung ating matinding NMAX. Tara, gala tayo. Mga jewelries. Liit ng kanye. Daming mga stores. Kaliwat kanan yung ano dito guys. Mga stores. Kanya-kanyang mga kung ano-ano, mga damit. Ito, jewelries. Meron na naman tayong 3 million. 3 million dito sa pera nila. 3 million. 10,000. I mean 200 USD. Pero 3 million. Sana sa pera natin ano. Ayan. So hanapin natin yung place kung saan may posted bar. Doon tayo sa tambay dito sa iba. Pasok muna tayo dito. Lagyan tayo ng mga souvenirs. Ayan. Hanap muna tayo ng libro. Maliit lang.
bestseller lahat.
Ayan, may nabili tayong book. At hindi ko muna papakita sa inyo syempre.
Was a time when I wasn't sure about you, set my mind at ease. But there is no without you in my world now.
Kain muna tayo.
Imagine there's no way found.
Kaya nag-request tayo sa kanila ng Wonderwall. Tingnan natin kung ito-play nila. Galing din ng mga taga-Bali, ng mga banda dito. Shout out sa mga banda ng Bali, Indonesia.
You're gonna be the one that saves me. You're gonna be the one that saves me. You're gonna be the one that saves me. Oh, save me. You're gonna be the one that saves me. And I tell you, no, I can't go. You don't want me anymore.
Sayawan na sila. Tayo magiinom lang. Dito tayo sa gilid, sa may bar. At, yeah. So, mag-fight muna tayo. Alright, kararating lang natin from Ubud to Seminyak. 45 minutes drive during the night time, but during the daytime is 1 hour and 10 minutes. It depends kung saan ka pupunta, but anyway, finally dito na tayo sa hotel. Mag-aayos na tayo. Okay, pagod na ang Vesla. It's been 5 days driving around Bali. It's time to get some rest.